A mummy pig lives in an old barn. She has 3 little baby pigs, the 3 little Miggy.
You are too big to live here with me. You can go and build your houses. Be careful. The big bad wolf can catch you. Build strong houses. I will miss you, my little piggies. The 3 little pigs walk along the path. They want to build 3 houses. They meet a man. The man has lots of straw.
Straw! I can build my house with straw.
The first little pig thinks that he can build his house of straw.
Please, can you give me some straw?
Yes, I can.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
The first little pig builds his house of straw. Now the big bad wolf will not catch me. I built my house of straw. I built my house of hay, and I play around all day.
The 2 little pigs walk the path, and then they meet a man.
He has lots of sticks.
We could build a house of sticks. Please, can you give me some sticks?
Yes, I can.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Use them well. The second little pig builds his house of sticks.
I'll build my house of sticks. This stick goes here. It's looking sturdy. 1 more stick.
Now the big bad wolf will not catch me. I built my house of sticks. I built my house of twigs. And I play on the fiddle and dance all day.
The third little pig walks the path, and then he meets a man. The man has lots of bricks. The third little pig thinks that he can build his house of bricks. He is clever.
Please, can I have some bricks?
Of course.
Thank you.
The third little pig works hard all day. He builds his house of bricks. I build my house of bricks. One day, a wolf comes to the little pig's house. I smell a little pig! Little pig, let me come in!
I won't let you in!
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down!
Oh no, I have to run! It's getting closer! I can't stop!
Little pigs, let me come in!
We won't let you in!
And I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down!
Hurry! The wolf is right behind us! I see him! Don't look back! Run!
Little pigs, let me come in!
We won't let you in!
I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down!
He's trying so hard, but our house is strong. Don't worry, he can't blow down our brick house.
What? I can't blow this house down!
We are safe! Our brick house is too strong!
Grr. Those little pigs are safe inside, but I have a clever plan.
Look! The wolf is on the roof! Oh no! What is he doing? Quick! We have to be ready! Let's make a surprise for him!
He's coming down!
Stay quiet!
Whoa! Hot! What a surprise!
He can't catch us now!
I'm getting out of here! I'll never come back!
He's gone! We're safe! Our brick house protected us! Come on, let's build them together! Now we are safe and happy, and we will always work hard. We will live happily ever after.